there, my fellow money-savvy peeps. Welcome back to the Financial Guide. I'm your host, Money Mike, and today we're diving into a super cool topic that's all about balancing your finances. We're going to explore the art of splitting an allowance, a vital skill for everyone, whether you're a preteen counting your allowance or a college student on a budget. Intrigued? You should be. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started. All right, picture this. You've just received your allowance for the week and you're super excited. But how do you make the most out of it? Well, let me tell you a little story. There's this kid, Timmy. He's just like you, excited about his allowance and all the possibilities it brings. But Timmy has a plan. He splits his allowance into 3 sections: savings, spending, and sharing. First, the savings. This is Timmy's treasure chest for future dreams. It's the game console he wants, the college fund he's building. It's about planting seeds for his financial future. Next, the spending. This is where Timmy has fun. He buys the snacks he loves, the cool sneakers he's been eyeing. But he doesn't blow it all at once. He's a responsible spender, and that makes the rewards even sweeter. Finally, the sharing. Timmy's got a heart that's pure gold. He sets aside a bit of his allowance to help others. Whether it's a donation to a charity or a birthday gift for a friend, Timmy knows the joy of giving. And that's it, folks. Timmy's secret to a balanced financial life. He's saving for the future, enjoying the present, and giving back. It's a win-win-win. So, why does this matter to you, you ask? Well, young champs, it's all about balance. When you divide your allowance, or any income for that matter, you're essentially creating a financial equilibrium. It's about more than just keeping your piggy bank happy. It's about developing a mindset, a habit of conscious spending, saving, and sharing. By setting aside money for savings, you're planning for the future, securing your dreams one coin at a time. When you allocate funds for spending, you're acknowledging the importance of enjoying the present, of rewarding yourself for your hard work. And when you dedicate a portion to sharing, you're embracing the joy of kindness, of giving back to your community. This approach helps you understand the value of money, teaches you the art of budgeting, and most importantly, it builds a foundation for financial responsibility. It's not just about the money, it's about the lessons you learn along the way. That's the secret sauce to a happy and healthy financial life. And there you have it, our awesome financial explorers. We've journeyed through the wonderful world of allowance splitting, learning how to save, spend, and share like a pro. Just like our friend Timmy, you too can make your financial journey as balanced, fun, and meaningful as possible. Now, it's your turn to step into the spotlight. Grab your own jars or even open up that budgeting app you've been neglecting. Start splitting that allowance and watch as your financial future transforms. We hope you've enjoyed this adventure. And more importantly, we hope you feel ready to tackle your finances with newfound wisdom and confidence. If you're hungry for more financial tips, remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We've got plenty more exciting finance adventures waiting for you. Until next time, this is Money Mike signing off. Stay financially awesome, my friends.